Hello YouTube, this is obviously my first video that I'm gonna upload. So yeah, I haven't thought of a name for this move, but I thought I created it, but I found out it's a combination of moves called the basic horizontal. My move, which I created, the backhand screw and the backhand screwdriver. But yeah, this is... Wait, gotta zoom in. This is what the move looks like. Yeah. So there's the move, and here's the breakdown. So what you want to do is you have to start in this position. So what you want to do is flip it out. Flip out the blade. And after that, you want to flip it over like this. Okay, so done, done. Then you flip it over your fingers. You flip it back. Then you flip it over your fingers. Then you put your finger right here. And what you want to do is flip the blade over. And then after you do that, you want to move your fingers over. Then you want to do that. Then as that is flipping, you want to turn this while it's spinning. Then you flip it up. And I just do that just for my sake. But yeah, so flip it out. Wait, sorry. So you dun, 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 dun. You don't have to do what I do at the end. But yeah, that's what the move looks. So that's the breakdown of the move. So here's what it looks like. Yeah, you don't have to do that at the end. But yeah, and the shirt I'm wearing, it says CSI, can't stand idiots. Which I agree with. But yeah, that's the move. And if you want to learn it, you don't have to subscribe, and plus this is my first video I've ever done. So yeah, it's okay if you don't subscribe to me. I feel perfectly fine with that. But yeah, that's the end of the video. So see ya.